All right, good morning. We're back. It's Monday. Getting ready for the market to open. We got 7 minutes approximately. Already marked out some pre-market high and low. SPY's kind of sitting right on that pre-market low, so we'll see if it breaks. We'll see if we create a new pre-market low. If we do, I would expect us to come down in this zone in here. Coming off an all-time high on both QQQ and SPY last week, last Friday more specifically. So, you know, kind of sets us up for that. I'm going to send out a text message real quick, and I will be back in just a second. Bear with me. We're back. Had to send a message to my uncle about snow. Be a potential swing trade. I don't really swing trade, but I might buy some further out calls on snow on my long-term portfolio. It was sitting kind of right at all-time highs. Their CEO retired last week. Stock dropped pretty significantly. It seems to be kind of forming a base right around a strong level of support around 180. All-time highs around like 240 or something like that, so has some room to move. You know, you could buy some calls and ride that up. Not financial advice, but that is something that I'm considering. Had to throw it out there to my unks. See what he thinks. Alrighty, what are we looking at? So, overview. New all-time highs on both SPY and QQQ, right? We had this massive run up last Friday. I have Friday's high and lows. Would be shocked to see us reach the low, but it certainly could happen. We have the pre-market high and low. Essentially, since we're kind of in this zone here, I don't have a whole lot going on for QQQ. I'm watching a break below. Well, let's swap this over real quick so we're all on the same page. For QQQ, we are kind of in this range, right? I'm watching for a break to the upside or to the downside. That's pretty much it. So like below 445 or above like 446.5 or so. QQQ also made a new high in the pre-market, so that's something to watch. SPY, similar thing, right? We made the new all-time high. We're kind of consolidating in this range. Do we break down low? We have the pre-market low here, but we also have this kind of demand zone right below it. So we also have this little, I guess it would be supply because we're beneath it, supply just to the upside of SPY. So I would watch maybe for a break and retest of this like 512 area.
Nope.
And then continuation to the pre-market high, potentially. That's it. What's going on, man? How you doing?
Not much, bro. I was trading last Thursday and Friday. I didn't get to trade those days.
It was all right. Yeah, Friday was. I mean, Thursday was kind of crazy because it went both directions, but Friday was a nice trend day finally.
Yeah, that was insane. I looked at that when I got on my computer. I was like, geez. Friday was nice.
Yeah, Friday was pretty nice. I'm waiting for one of those. Although I didn't even have that great of a day. It was green, but it was small.
Gotcha.
It would have been better. I took a loss in the morning and then had to make up for it later in the day, but if I just didn't take that initial loss, it would have been a pretty solid day. But it is what it is. I spent some time this weekend just researching into futures, how they work, how to trade them on Thinkorswim, and then like setting up my Thinkorswim like futures trader and everything.
Dude, yeah, I got an email actually that Thinkorswim's moving to Schwab.
Yeah. Yeah, Charles Schwab bought him out.
Set that up, yeah.
I
think I need to make an account or something like that. It was telling me.
Yeah, I think they pretty much do it for you. You pretty much just kind of like log into your. I think you might set up a new like password and stuff, but it's all similar. I mean, obviously the they're keeping Thinkorswim, as far as I understand, they're keeping Thinkorswim like the exact same, that's the right call. If they changed it, that would be dumb. But yeah, I also partly because I'm trading like same day expiration options. I just like Friday I had a runner that I took profit on a little early, even though we like just went up the whole day. But it was just because like on those same day expirations you get a little pullback and it like fries your premium.
Yeah.
And it's just I don't know, it's like a small account if you're leaving a runner and then you just watch your go from like 30% to like 5%. It's like, I don't know. I start to look into futures for that reason though. Just a lot more predictable in terms of like you can actually know exactly what your profit and loss targets are.
Yeah, exactly. How was that though? How was the research?
Solid, man. Especially because like they have like ES or NQ, which just track like SPY and QQQ. So that's why I trade. It's pretty much the exact same. I mean, you can trade them the same exact way, but just have like a more predictable risk to reward, I guess. It's just like without all the QQQ just hit my target on 445. But yeah, I'm not doing it yet because you do need a little bit larger account. I mean, you can trade the micros, but
yeah,
I just wanted to look into it and kind of learn about it because it interests me. Damn, QQQ's dumping.
What's up, gentlemen?
How's it going, my friend?
Good morning, boys. Yeah.
Good morning.
morning.
Afternoon to you.
Yep.
Friday was wild.
Yeah. Sam, I was just talking about how I spent some time this weekend looking into futures, learning about it, learning how to set it up and trade it on Thinkorswim and whatnot. I've been meaning to do it.
The commission on
on Thinkorswim or Hefty.
Really?
Yeah.
What is it?
I remember looking into it. I'm like, that would just eat me alive.
Damn, for real? I didn't even.
I think that's the case. Yeah. Let's see.
Futures trades are $2.25 per contract. Oh.
Yeah, it's almost $5 a contract in and out.
Yeah. What? Well, they have 0 commissions for option. Oh, it's like $1 for an option.
Options, I think, is 60 cents.
Yeah, it comes out to like around $1.
It's manageable.
QQQ is dumping right now.
Futures, it's a little steep for me.
No, I didn't know that. Actually, I watched a couple of videos and nobody even brought that up. It kind of makes me sad.
I mean, it's a platform to get used to. It's a little weird, and I'm sure there's others that are like just as good or better. But I use Rhythmic, which also
Rhythmic?
uses Trader. Yeah, that's with Apex. That's who I'm using. It's basically, I think it's like 50 cents in, 50 cents out.
Okay.
That's a dollar per trade, per contract.
Yeah, I'll have to.
Which basically means like when I start a trade, I'm starting like a tick against me.
I've also heard of Tradeovate. It looks like they have like pretty good.
Yeah, I've heard good things of those guys.
Yeah, it looks like they don't have any real fees or any big fees.
That's another thing to look into.
All right. Well, good looks. I appreciate you let me know.
As much as I love Thinkorswim, commissions on that.
Yeah, it's brutal.
At least if you're trading the micros.
For sure.
Because you need more contracts for the micros. If you're trading the minis, then the contracts are, it's a fair price. Because you're getting $50 freaking. But with the micros being $5 a point.
Yeah, you're essentially just giving up a point every time you trade, huh? QQQ is retesting that broken market low.
Sorry to break your heart so early in the morning.
No, you're good. I'm not trading them yet. I just wanted to kind of familiarize myself with it.
I got you.
Because eventually I will switch, I think. I think not dealing with all the Greeks would just make so much more sense. And not that I worry about it now, but eventually the tax incentives are nice too.
It's just nice to know, like, before you even place a trade, how much you're going to lose.
Exactly.
You're going to make if you stick to your plan.
Yeah. Yeah, and like you can leave a runner and actually know when you'll stop out, and like you can get a pullback and it won't stop you out. You can actually like predictably. Yeah, it's interesting to me. I just wanted to spend some time to look into it. Damn, brother, why? Commissions, Thinkorswim?
I know.
Dirty little dogs.
I didn't really look into like other brokers, but I just know DD was a little pricey for micro. thinking?
I was watching QQQ for the rejection off the pre-market low here. I'm waiting for this 5-minute though, for sure.
So you're thinking kind of long?
I was watching to the downside potentially on QQQ.
You go short?
Yeah. Well, yeah. We'll see, because it also is trying to hold that 445. I just want to watch how this 5-minute closes. But it pushed up, kind of testing that EMA, test the pre-market low. The 1 minute is trying to hold the 445. I'm not sure if I'll even take it. It was just a setup I was watching because over after hours and pre-market, QQQ is kind of holding around that area. So breakdown was interesting to me, but it seems to be holding it pretty well now. Yeah, it looks like it's not hold that. Oh, it's a little bit tough because we're inside, I mean, kind of inside the pre-market range and the high and low Friday, so I'll probably just let things develop for a little bit. You got any plans on it?
I thought you were gonna ask me if I have any animals or something.
I mean, that can be part of your plan.
Not really. I was kind of hoping to see a drop. Look for a long opportunity. I have a line here. I'm not sure what it would be on. I think like 510.
One thing to consider though, TD Ameritrade got bought out by Charles Schwab. I wonder if Charles Schwab would adjust the futures pricing, like once they fully take over.
Yeah.
SPY's looking pretty strong here.
Yeah, there's a flag on SPY, 30 minutes.
I'd like a little supply zone between like 412.2 and 412.3 or so. It's breaking out of. Wouldn't mind seeing it come back and retest. Yeah, so you can even trade futures on like Bitcoin.
Is that a thing now?
Yeah, it's like
Oh yeah.
it's like
Looking at that.
BT, I think is what it is. Slash BT, or and then they have like a micro one as well. It looks like Charles Schwab has that same fee per contract, $2.25. A dirty little game they play. Damn, QQQ is kind of chopping around there. Can't figure out what it wants to do. If it gets a close below 445, that could be an interesting move down. I don't have any support for it below 445 until like 443 or so. QQQ just broke down.
SPY's trying to break that.
Yeah, I grabbed a put here on QQQ. Broke on that 445 and kind of retesting, looking a little weak.
trade going?
It's good. I just took some profit.
I got some puts too.
I was looking for that break of low a day there. Nice. I might get out there. Sweet. Yeah, I was just looking for that rejection and break a low a day. So that was it.
Yeah, now SPY is ready to break up. That's crazy.
Yeah, I actually kind of like that for longs on SPY. I have that zone right there that's holding in the EMA as well. Actually, I don't know. I probably won't take anything, but yeah, SPY and QQQ are like exact opposites. SPY's moving up, QQQ's moving down. I used my no runners rule today. Just took my profit and got out.
Yeah. With your trading style, probably better.
Yeah, just with 2 contracts, it doesn't make sense to leave 50% of your position as a runner.
Still in.
Are you're in QQQ puts?
No, SPY.
Gotcha.
Hanging out too long.
Yeah, futures move crazy. I was just looking at NQ on the trade I took on QQQ, like the exact same thing on NQ. Moved 25 points. I mean, from my entry, it moved 25 points. That would have been a crazy one. What is that? That's like over $1,000 if you're trading NQ, right? 50 a contract or 50 a point.
The ES is 50. I'm not sure how much the.
Oh, NQ I think might be 20 then.
I think it's still
Yeah, 20 times 25. Shit. Yeah.
a good little.
500? Is my math right? Yeah, it is. All right, good thing. I know some basic algebra. All right. But that's on a single contract. 500 on a single contract on that, like a 2-minute move. Holy cow. A couple minutes. 50 a contract if it was micros. Yeah. Definitely have to look into that. In terms of like contracts, with options, obviously there's like a premium, right? And you have to have the amount of capital to like cover whatever the premium is. Is it the same thing on futures? Because like when I was looking at futures, it was like the price of the underlying. It didn't have like strike prices or whatever like an option. Does that make sense? Like, is there a minimum amount that you're required to have to take a position?
It's different with futures. Like, it's not really position size. It's more like how much are you willing to risk.
Got you. Okay. Yes.
You gotta have stops because if you don't have a stop and you just let that thing run, you could essentially owe your
Entire account. Yeah. That makes sense. Okay. Crazy stuff.
yeah. You have to have stuff.
Definitely. Yeah. I also like that it's open like a lot more. The hours. It's like 23 hours a day.
Yeah.
Because a lot of these, you get a lot of really nice moves in like pre-market or whatever, and you can actually catch those with futures. A little bit more flexibility too if you work a job or whatever. Yeah, it seems like a decent way to go.
don't know how much more I can watch.
They're still just kind of chopping. Yeah, it's weird. We got like a decent move and just been kind of consolidating, huh? At least Theta isn't eating you. Shit.
I'm gonna get out and just gonna go without me. That's my limit of watching. Now it's gonna tank watch.
There it goes. There it goes.
I got out already.
Oh.
I'm tired of watching it. I need to walk away for a second. It was a small game.
Hey,
It's something.
that's something.
That's $60.
Starting to go though. Damn. Or I might just chop around more in here. Who knows?
Yeah, I'll be back.
Sounds good, man. Oh.
Oh, my heart.
Right, man? Jeez. Just started tanking once you got out. Unfortunately, that's some of my luck, my friend. You're like, ah, it's not moving. And then it does exactly what you want. They just wanted you to get out, dude. They just can't let the retail whales win.
No. There's a speaker today, right?
At 12 Eastern, it is Tom Harker. I don't know.
Harker. Wow. You look proud to be an American.
Did you Google?
Yeah.
What the hell? I got all sorts of mixed results.
Thomas Harker.
Girls varsity and JV tennis coach, Tom Harker.
Wait, what?
If you just Google Tom Harker and go to images, there's all sorts of results. One of them's from LinkedIn, and it's a girls varsity and JV tennis coach at Marple Newton High School. What does he have to do with the stock market? Another one's just like a shirtless man posing kind of seductively on Facebook.
You see the guy playing the ukulele?
No. We got different Google algorithms, my friend. I got a shirtless man, you got a dude on a ukulele. What does that mean?
I don't know.
Not good. My highest hold time, like in the past 2 weeks, has been 25 minutes. It's the longest I can hold a trade. That's probably,
My
yeah.
shortest hold time is 35 seconds, and that was a freaking dump. It was a good trade.
Yeah, I feel like 20-25 minutes is usually about as long as I'd want to be holding a day trade. Unless, of course, it was just like last Friday, just trending up the whole day. But,
Yeah, right. Those days scare me,
right?
because those are like, I'm glad I stopped trading that day, because those are the days that like, I try to get shorts as it makes new highs,
Mm,
and then you get burned. And you try again later, get burned again.
it can't just
try again,
keep
get
going
burned.
up, and it does.
Exactly. And it does. Super weird and unhealthy. But it just keeps going up. Those are the days that like all the shorts get crushed.
They're the ones that you look back on, and you're like, oh, that would have been so easy to trade.
Call in the morning and that's it. Just go to sleep. That thing's still just chopping.
SPY's kind of boosting. QQQ hasn't been doing anything. It's been sideways. If it gets back up above that pre-market low, it might go higher. But unable to like all morning though. Seriously. A bit of a slow day. Not much.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been a little weird. But I mean, I've been in calls for about an hour now.
Brother. On SPY, I hope.
Yeah, on SPY. But I traded. I'm like 2 DTs out, 2 days out. So it's been chilling.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
I mean, just create a new high. Yeah.
Yeah. So I've just been watching it play. I've literally been
Got
at
it
break
at
even pretty much
3 open?
the whole time. Yeah, pretty much. Let's see, what time did I buy these at? I bought these at, maybe it hasn't been an hour. 7:04? Oh, so no, yeah, only like 30 minutes. Not an hour.
Feels like an hour with this price
Yeah,
action.
literally, man. I've just been on my phone. I'm like, man, can we do something?
Damn, that's that pullback.
But yeah, so we'll see how it goes. I'm in profit now. I'm up like, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cents. But yeah.
Yeah, I'll be back in a minute, guys.
Sounds good. Oh, QQQ, is it trying to break up?
SPY broke that resistance.
Mm-hmm.
So what?
Just from like all-time high and pre-market high, you're saying?
For what?
No, on SPY like that 512.50.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
But it's moving so slow, man. On 1 minute.
Yep, I sold one contract so far. I got 3 more to go.
It's testing that pre-market high.
Yeah, I sold one literally right there when as soon as it touched that. I think it was like 14 cents a con, something like that, 12 cents. Waiting, I got 513.11, and then I'm gonna try to get 513.29. But if not, it is what it is. If we can get above this pre-market high, it would be freaking nice.
Yeah, today's been a grind. There's like a few little pumps of price action and a lot of slow grind.
I've just been watching the 30-minute chart, so it's been.
Yeah, 30-minute looks real solid.
Yeah, so got some potential. But we'll see. If anything, I mean, I'll be stopped at a break even. Yo, are you ready for that card this weekend? The O'Malley one?
Oh shit, yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty stoked on that.
Remembered. Yeah, I was going through Instagram. And
It's
like,
a
oh, shit.
good card. What, Dustin Poirier's fighting on that too, huh?
Yeah, he's fighting a dog, man. I forgot the guy's name, but
It's
the guy's pretty good.
Saint Denis, Benoit Saint Denis.
Yeah.
Kevin Holland's fighting Michael Page. That's a banger.
Yeah, there's some good fights, man. Even like the prelims, there's a couple little sneaky ones in there.
Yeah, Peter Yan and Song Yadong. That's a crazy. I mean, just the name. It's like a rap song right there.
Yeah,
Peter Yan
yeah.
and Song Yadong. No, there's some insane fights. That whole main card is beautiful.
Yeah.
Dang. Okay. Preliminary. Curtis Blades is fighting on the prelims. Pedro Munoz. Pedro Munoz is fighting Jesus, apparently. Guy's profile picture. Pedro's cooked, dog. No way.
Yeah, this card's crazy. Gilbert Burns.
That main card is insane. Michael Page, that's his first fight in the UFC, right? He's coming over from Bellator.
I've got no idea. Michael Page? Possibly, yeah. I've never heard of his name.
Michael Page, he has some crazy highlights from Bellator. I don't know if you've ever seen the one where he like knees a guy's skull in and then like does a Pokeball celebration, like throws a Pokeball at him.
Oh, what? No, I've never seen that.
You should watch some Michael Page highlights. He's kind of a. He also has highlights where he gets knocked out hard though, because he does kind of like he tries to be flashy. There's a highlight of him getting head kicked. He like gets knocked down and he's like trying to stand up, and the guy just head kicks him as he's like getting up and just eliminates him. Yeah, it's a brutal knockout. But he has one where he like knees a guy in the head, and I think it like cracked his skull. Like he like really messed the dude up. And as the guy's like laying there on the ground, he does like a Pokemon celebration and like throws a Pokeball at him.
Damn. He's 21-2, huh?
Yeah, he was a Bellator champion. Yeah. I'm pretty sure that's his first fight in UFC. Him against Kevin Holland though, that's gonna be interesting. Like stylistically, that should be really fun.
Yeah.
Kevin Holland will just be talking shit the whole time. Dang, yeah, that whole card is stacked. Who do you got between Cheeto and Sean O'Malley?
I think Sean should win that.
Yeah, I think so.
Especially after losing the first time.
I'll say the past couple Cheeto fights I've watched didn't impress me too much.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, he hasn't been too bright.
But who knows? He could just like come out and have performance of his life. Yeah, it's such a good card. Wow. Yeah, 299 and 300. 300 set to be a crazy card too. I don't even think they have it like completely fleshed out, but insane. Yeah, dude, holy cow.
What the tickets are for the 300?
Where is it? Is it UFC? Or, Jesus,
I think it's in Vegas.
Vegas?
Yeah. How much they are on StubHub?
Have you ever been to a live fight?
Have you?
No, I'd love to sometime though.
Yeah. Probably sick.
Yvonne, you watch any UFC?
Not lately, man.
We need a Croatian fighter. Get in there, brother.
Have you ever heard about Plazibat, Croatian fighter?
I don't think so.
Walker?
Was it Krokop, Croatian?
Yeah.
I know Krokop. What a legend.
Yeah. One of the greatest Croatian, actually.
Damn.
Pretty sure he was Croatian.
Let's see how much these are. $2,000 for a good seat. $1,000.
Just hit a couple ES trades.
Yeah.
Go to Vegas.
6,000 for floor. Interesting. Oh, fight nights are mad cheap. What? Only $400 for a floor seat.
That's tight.
Yeah, for a fight night, Sean Brady versus Luque.
Tai
That's pretty cool.
Tuivasa's fighting in there.
Oh, that's in New Jersey though.
Dang. UFC's been in the bag since they have been, but since COVID, they've been killing it.
Yeah, 100%.
Just setting up insane cards.
I used to watch a lot when it was the OGs.
Some like yeah, Chuck Liddell, Tito Ortiz, yeah.
Vito.
The Chuck Liddell Tito fights were crazy.
Vito Ortiz, yeah. Shamrock.
Yeah, Ken Shamrock, dude. Yeah, I was young watching those.
Yeah, a lot of new fighters now. Anderson Silva.
Yup. All right. QQQ broke and closed strong above the pre-market low. Now it's retesting it. Set an alert for this to see if.
Oh man.
Yeah, SPY got rejected. Huge. Bad rejection.
Yeah, right off that pre-market high, huh? I think we're just gonna get kind of a rangy day today. That's the way it looks.
shall see.
I was thinking puts at the previous day close. Which was 512.85.
Yeah, QQQ
Might
pretty
be
much
for me.
did a perfect double top. Rejected off like the exact same level.
That's rejection though.
I'm gonna try a call here on QQQ with a tight stop.
This is insane. 15 cents off. Hold up the wall.
Come on, QQQ.
I haven't looked at QQQ all day today. It's not been doing much.
Nah. I just want to see if it can. I mean, I got the 5-minute close. I can't even speak. Close on the 9 EMA and the pre-market low. Probably not stop me out right here though if it breaks any lower.
Oh, are you in calls?
I took one call with a tight stop.
I see.
It's sitting right at that level.
Yeah, I'm still in the same trade.
Damn, brother.
Angling around.
We're getting a little bit of a bounce here. I'm just targeting like if I can get 20%, I'd be happy with it. Just a little scalp. Especially the way today's going.
You trading options?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I am too.
All right, QQQ's getting a little bounce.
You said you had 2 days out?
I think it's actually just 1 day out. Yeah, it's just 1 day. I thought it was 2 days, but no, it's just 1 day.
Data's not really.
One day out of the money. Yeah, it's been moving pretty slow. I was very close getting stopped out just a second ago, but we're still alive. We're still alive. And I might be here until 11:30, 12. Wait, we're moving.
Wow, QQQ got a little bounce. Started coming right back down. Give me a little juicer. That's all I ask. SPY's pushing back up. Trying. QQQ.
Yeah, it's trying. It's trying.
QQQ. All right, we're seeing some volume come in. Get me up there. It's looking good so far. That 5-minute close was clutch. Alright, I'll take it. I don't know. It's like a 15% or something. I don't know if I want to sit in this. Oh man. Yeah, I'll probably do it for me.
Yeah. No worries. I'm just gonna be sitting here for the next hour or two.
It's a swing trade now.
Yeah.
You got until tomorrow.
Yeah. Oh no,
I'm joking.
No way. We'll wake up and just be down.
Oh man.
But alrighty, I'll probably just head out too then. I'm just gonna let this trade just be on its own. I have a stop loss and break even, so
Oh,
I have alerts, so I'm gonna go make me some food and something.
yeah, that sounds great.
Alrighty,
right.
yo. Have a good day.
Yeah, I'll see you guys. Take it easy.
See you guys.
Peace.
See you.
Yeah, no trades for me today, probably.
You're a smart man, Yvonne. There's not a lot going on.
Yeah.
Alright, take it easy, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.
Later.
Yeah, see you tomorrow.
Alright, that does it for me. Had 2 trades. First trade pretty solid on QQQ. Second trade just a little scalp. Actually, I don't even know. I think I got maybe a little under 20%. Some of this price action, I wasn't trying to hold or risk too much, especially after having one winner already. But I'll take a little win off that. That's all I got. Take it easy, guys. Good luck. Stay safe.